Dogs can read your emotions just by looking at your face, and they do it with the same part of the brain that humans use. When you smile, your dog's brain lights up, releasing a surge of happiness, mirroring your own joy. Scientists discovered that dogs not only recognize human emotions but are also more attuned to them than even our closest primate relatives. Imagine your furry friend understanding you're upset before you even speak, offering comfort with a nuzzle or a wagging tail. This emotional intelligence is thought to have evolved over thousands of years, as dogs became our loyal companions, learning to navigate the complexities of human moods. So next time you're feeling down, remember, your dog might just be the best therapist you never knew you had, with an innate ability to sense and respond to your feelings in a way that's both intuitive and deeply heartwarming.